Once again, we're a group known as Walea, with our special guest, ukulele player today, the one and only Mr. Bryan Tolentino.
Oh, thank you.
And of course, on ukulele bass, to my right, my better half, the one, the only Miss Desiree Kū Koanui-Souza.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Oh yes, happy Mother's Day to everybody.
My son took out my wife,
Oh,
but they never asked me, so I said,
Oh.
I'm going to gig.
oh, fine then, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, fine then.
And of course, in the middle, your MC for this afternoon, Mr. Kamaʻāina Sunday.
Hey! Oh, there you go. Chanting, bring up the kahili, all the things. Yes, I love it. Oh, I can say it now. This is for the people in the grass. As I travel from place to place, some familiar and some strange, to hear the ancient chantings of our home. As I've listened to the stories, my eyes have seen the glory. So let us raise our voice in song to save our land. All Hawaiʻi stands together. It is now and forever to raise our voices and hold your banners high. We shall stand as a nation to guide the destiny of our generation, to sing and praise the glory of our land. Within stone walls and cities of refuge, we learn the sacred ways. Upon Waipio's valley floor, the ancient battles rage. From the barren slopes of Kaho'olawe to the shores of Kahanabe, we shall claim our lands from the barking sands to the valleys of Honolulu. All Hawaiʻi stands together. It is now and forever to raise your voices and hold your banners high. We shall stand as a nation to guide the destiny of our generations, to sing and praise the glory of our land. From the fiery pit of Tutupele, I hear my mother's call. O Tutukane and Mauna Kea send their love to all, to stand as one beneath the sun. Blessings from Haleakala for our sweet Ka'ala and Waiʻaleʻale, where the greatest waters fall. All Hawaiʻi stands together. It is now and forever to raise your voices and hold your banners high. We shall stand as a nation to guide the destiny of our generation, to sing and praise the glories of our land. If you know it, sing along. Here we go. Hawaiʻi. Hawaiʻi loa, huli ke kako, kupa'ame kaloka hie, kukalame kavivole. Onni pa'akako, onni pa'akako, alana kilana kinie, eola, eola, eola na kinie. Hawaiʻi loa. Hawaiʻi loa, kuli ke kako, kupa'ame kaloka hie, kukalame kavivole. Onni pa'akako, onni pa'akako, alana kilana kinie, eola, eola, eola na kinie. Eola, 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 eola na kinie.
Aloha.
Mahalo, aloha.
Can we get another round of applause for Walea and Ahana Ho? I already heard one from the band.